Sneak peek. Samsung Find app reveals stunning new icon for One UI 7.0. The wait for the first beta of One UI 7.0 is almost over, and anticipation is reaching new heights. Ahead of the release, leaks of Samsung's redesigned stock apps are surfacing, giving us a glimpse of the fresh aesthetic Samsung has in store. The latest app to join the lineup is Samsung Find, showcasing a sleek new icon and a polished UI that aligns with One UI 7.0's design language. Revamped Samsung Find app, a glimpse of the future. Spotted by Gerwin van Giesen 1, the updated Samsung Find app sports a brand new icon. See the image below. On the left, you'll see the current icon from One UI 6.1, while on the right is the fresh, refined design for One UI 7.0. The new icon features a modern, slightly tinted look, a sharper, more precise location pin, a clean, circular base replacing the older pie-shaped design. Beyond the icon, the app also introduces a redesigned navigation bar and smooth slide transitions, giving a more fluid and intuitive user experience. Unified design across One UI 7.0. Samsung's commitment to consistency shines through in these updates. The revamped calculator, clock, and now Find apps share the same sleek design language, ensuring a unified look and feel throughout the UI. Try it now. Ready to explore? You can download the newly discovered version of Samsung Find from the link provided and experience the transformation for yourself. Stay tuned for more updates as we dive into the latest features of One UI 7.0. Don't forget to like, share, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.